Are you a new YouTuber? Do you face sound problem while recording video for your YouTube channel? Don't worry. Today I'm gonna show you the best microphone for you. Stay tuned. I bought new microphone in online. I'm gonna show you unboxing it today. Are you new in this channel? Make sure you subscribe, also like the video. Do you wanna buy it? Make sure you write a comment in the description section. These are the 3.55 mm hand-free mini lap microphone, and this is professional studio recording condenser microphone. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's open it out. Oh, come on. Okay, this is one. Yeah, there you go, guys. This is the one. It's just to cap in the neck. This is the one. The cable is also quite lengthy. You can see, guys, it's about 2 meter. It's nice, guys. It's really nice. Let's take the next one. Uh, Same. Nothing here, and it's also same, guys. I order 2 different pieces for me while recording video, right? It's really nice, guys. And if you wanna buy, please make sure you write a comment in the description section. And now the turn for this, you'll feel amazing, guys. It's a really studio mic. Just more. Let's see what is inside it. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a, with the bill and the invoices here. Everything, every detail you can see, the detail of the seller and everything here. Also the bills here with the cost. Let's see. Oh my god, a great packing. See, guys, Hatch, that's a studio microphone. It's a brand new product. Let's check it out. Oh my god, really fantastic, guys, fantastic. With a charger and see the sound absorber. Uh, Here you can see, guys. That's a fantastic. It's a fantastic, man. And here you go. This is the real and actual microphone that I'm using to record my sound. It's an amazing, guys. Let's check the next one. Here you go. Oh, guys, see, this is the stand. Uh, yeah, this is the stand that fantastic. And this is the sound absorber, right? It must be capped over it. Really nice, guys. Really nice. Here, and this is the mic holder. We just need to place the microphone here. I'll set it later and show you. And here you go. You can see the cable. Yeah, this is the cable with the heavy jack, and this is for the microphone. And the next one is some nuts to tie it out. Just to try it out here. Really fantastic, guys. Let's see the case and nothing on it. Really nice, guys. I love it. If you wanna buy it, you please make sure you write a comment in the comment section. Let's fix it out, then I'll show you. Okay, to fix your BM800 condenser microphone, at first you need a nut, and then you take your sock mount. Okay, and please place this in your nut. Okay, just like this. Place over here and tie it properly, and just place it in any desk or table that is suitable for you. You take your clamp and place it over here. And then your microphone. Press here and insert it inside the clamp. Okay, once you have done, right, take your wire and connect it in the microphone and the heavy jack into your PC. It's done. And disconnect it. Okay, now you have done. And then load a sock mount, so it here, and you have to tie it into the suspension cam. Low, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, I have done it. And if you are the sound observer, noise observer, you can place it over here. If you want to buy, please make sure write a comment in the comment section. Guys, I hope you like the video. If you want to buy this studio microphone, you please write a comment in the comment section. Also, you make sure you subscribe my channel and thumbs up my video. See you guys.